What is it?
Present.
That's right. A present for you.
Who's it? Who's it from?
It comes from the
It's.
present.
Can you say it's from Aunt Laura?
Okay,
Yay. Okay.
Oh, it's for you. There you go. Open it up.
Where's that?
Keep opening.
Okay, there's a note.
Oh.
Mary Elizabeth, there are 2 presents in here. One for you, one for Kaylin.
Ooh.
There's one thing Kaylin's bound to learn sooner rather than later. It's that her mom's crazy friend Laura can't send a birthday present one at a time, on time to save her life. Hope you enjoy. Okay. This one's for you. This one's for Mama.
Ooh.
Oh, Auntie.
Well, typically we open the card first. Good job.
Do you want me to help? Okay. Look. Look.
It's your
Are you reading it? Good job. Okay.
Now you want to try this one?
Yeah,
Okay.
buy it.
Can you do it?
Yeah,
You do it.
I'll do it.
What is it?
Apple.
Oh, it looks beautiful.
What is it?
This here.
It's Miss Laura's favorite little book.
Mission doing it.
Yes, Mission is running away. Okay. Look. What do you think?
Hey, Kaylin, can you say thank you, Laura?
What is this?
Yeah, look at this. Okay, yeah. It says it belongs to you.
Fetch.
Yeah.
PBS. That's right.
Hey, Laura, or Kaylin, can you say thank you, Laura?